Let's talk about your speaking fees. In the early stages of a career, the emerging presenter will start at a lower fee level and gradually work towards a higher fee. More established professionals with a seasoned reputation or those with celebrity status can step in and demand a higher fee for their presentation based on their expertise or their content. A typical fee range for an emerging presenter is $1,500 to $3,000 USD. Fee ranges are acceptable, but should be a range with a difference of $500 to $5,000. Make sure you always give your customer more in value than they paid in the fee. Your client should feel comfortable spending their money on you. Once you set your fee, you should emphasize the value that you bring to the client in your biography and your sales materials. A great way to know that it's time to raise your fee is when your calendar is full and the feedback that you're getting from clients is that your fee is inexpensive. Let's look at how to add your fee to your eSpeaker's profile. So on espeakers.com, I'll go to Sign in the upper right-hand corner and sign in to my account. From the dashboard, I'll go to My Profile and then Edit Your Profile. On the left-hand side in this menu, the last item is for fees. You have two sets of boxes to list your fees, one pair for on-site and one pair for virtual. We found that virtual fees should be about 10% lower than on-site fees. You can either do a fee range by using both sets of boxes, or one flat fee by only using the first box. You can also enter specific fees for local speaking events where you don't have to travel, or itemize your standard fees, your expenses, your AV requirements, and other items that will affect the total fee to the client.